The vertical line test is a test that we use to be able to see if a graph is a function or is not a function. So if a graph passes a vertical line anywhere on its domain, which means from left to right, if it crosses it more than once, then it is no longer a function. Now, I feel like the trickiest part of this is sometimes they can look like they do, but they really don't. So knowing your functions definitely helps a little bit. So for example, let me get a line here. If I have this first graph, I can draw a line anywhere on here, a vertical line. These are not exactly vertical, I wish they were, but I can draw a vertical line anywhere on here, and you can see that this is only crossing this graph once at a time. So it's crossing here, 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 and it's not crossing any other spots other than that. It's not crossing more than once. But if I have this function over to the right, I could draw a vertical line at several different points, and it definitely crosses it more than once. So this first line crosses it twice. This second line crosses it twice. This third line crosses it twice. So this is definitely not a function. Whereas this one over here definitely is a function. So go ahead and pause your video and try this one and see which ones you think are functions and which ones you think are not functions. Okay, so this first one was probably pretty easy for you. If I draw a vertical line right here, it clearly crosses it twice. This would be not a function. This one down below it, you probably knew that one was clearly a function because anywhere I draw a line, it's going to keep moving back and forth from left to right. So it's only going to cross it once. So this is definitely a function. The two on the right are ones that you could have gotten a little bit confused with. So the first one, we can draw a line anywhere and it's still only going to cross it once. This part here at the left looks like it's vertical, but it's not. It's still moving to the right. So this is actually a function. And this one on the bottom right corner, this one, if you know your functions well, you will know this is a quadratic. Quadratics are functions. I know these lines aren't great. I did not get a graph on here, so I just drew these by hand. But quadratics never get vertical. They are constantly moving from right to left. So as we draw lines on here, it will look like it's getting vertical, but it never is exactly vertical. These lines will never be exactly the same on here. So this only crosses at one point at a time. So this actually is a function.